Everyone, today I'll be showing you how inventory management works on our server. First thing we're going to do is log in. Once on the dashboard, we're going to navigate down to the inventory widget to see a general overview of all of the test sets in our inventory management. If we want to specifically go into the inventory management, we can click on the View Inventory list at the bottom right-hand corner of the widget. Or we can go down to the drop-down and click on Inventory Management. This will take us to our inventory management list. The inventory management list will let us set test sets that are not active into an inventory status to keep track of them. We can set test sets with the inventory status, the pre-approved status, and the missing status. Pre-approving a test set lets us fill out all the information required on the test set, so all the technician needs to do is press the check button to be automatically registered and approved with the system. In the VeEX list, you can also export a CSV of all the test sets in your inventory management, import a CSV of test sets you want to be included in your inventory management based on the VeEX CSV format, and also manually create new inventory management test sets. The Others tab lets you create test sets that are not VeEX test sets so that you can track them in inventory as well. The RMA tab lets you track the RMA status of test sets, and you can also check the warranty and create an RMA. I'm going to show you guys a real-world example of how the inventory management actually works. So let's go to the dashboard, go to the test set list, and find one of the test sets we're going to use for our purposes. I'll be using a CX310 test set that has an approved status. On the CX310 test set, one of the features we offer, and on all of the rest of our test sets, is that once you unregister from the system, the test set will go from the test set list to the inventory management. So now my CX310 is unregistered. If I go back to my test set list and press refresh, now you can see my CX310 is not approved anymore. If I go back to my inventory management, you can see that that CX310 that I unregistered is now in the test set list. It automatically keeps the CM MAC address, the serial number, and the test set type, as well as the technician ID, tech name, and company of the test set. If I want to pre-approve a test set, I can go to this Edit button and set the Supervisor ID of my test set. I'm going to choose the Josh Supervisor ID so that it's under my organization, the VeEX Fremont Josh. I can pre-approve and save this test set so that when I go back to my test set list, all I have to do is press the check button to be automatically registered and approved with the system. As you can see, now the region, district, and system is filled out and registration is approved. Another thing we can do is go back to the inventory management, back to the test set list, and see that now the CX310 is again approved with our system. If we want to take one of our test sets and put it into an RMA status, we can select it and choose the Prepare button. This will let you set a test set to the RMA status in the inventory management. In the RMA tab, it will show you the RMA status of the test set. Thanks for watching.